is ZeBirdBrain, and today we are talking about tool presets. So there's many ways in which Harmony can make you faster, but some of these tricks, like, you have to know them, like somebody has to tell them to you, because otherwise they're rather well hidden, like you're never gonna find them. But it's okay, I'm here for you. So today, let me bestow you upon you lovelies the power of the tool presets. Tool presets are pretty rad. They allow you to make yourself your own little tools, not to be mistaken with simple brush or pencil presets. No, tool presets go one step further in allowing you to add a color or texture to it. Alright, so let's go and make ourselves our own tasty tool presets. So first, you need to go get your tool presets toolbar. To do this, simply right click here and find your tool presets toolbar. Where is it? Here, tool presets toolbar. If it pops in at a weird place, remember that you can click on the little gray thing here and just go place it somewhere that it's not weird. And you'll get these two icons. So you have the new tool presets and you have the one to manage your presets. You can create your custom tool presets to quickly access brushes and pencil with settings and color that you use frequently. Important note, make sure you import the palette you need before using the preset in future scene. Otherwise, you get like this color recovery bug thing and that's not fun. Only use your preset that you created if you already imported your palette in your scene, but that's true for pencil textures anyway, so we've talked about that before. Always import your palette first before you're going to use any tool. So in production context, one of the good use of a tool preset is if you have a production with many different color for the lines. So instead of coloring the line after, I could make myself a tool preset that will allow me to, when I click on it, get my right brush and my right color so that I can start to paint right away. And you can give it some custom things that we're gonna check in a moment. So that's useful, right? So that's what we're gonna create today. This is the context of production in which it's gonna be useful. So to create your custom tool preset, all you have to do is select your tool. I'm gonna get my pencil. I'm gonna get the right pencil here with the texture and everything. Also make sure that you select your color. So that's the one I'm gonna use to clean up Freckles' little motif here. And then you just head over to your tool preset button, you click, and you'll get this new window. You can just quickly rename your tool preset. So that's gonna be Freckle, Fur, and Pupil, I guess. You can give it a little icon. I'm gonna take the orange pencil because it's super cute. So from the shortcut menu, you can set a keyboard shortcut to quickly access your preset. So by default, the presets are unassigned, but you can then choose 1 to 10, and in the shortcut window, you'll be able to go and assign a key to them. For the color, it will just save the current color that you're using into the tool presets. Then each time you're going to click on your little icon, the color and texture will already be selected for you, so that's great. By the way, this tool is also available in Storyboard Pro and has way more options there. So if you're a Storyboard Pro fan, I hope that you're going to have fun using the tool presets because they kind of work the same. So after you've created your tool presets, you can manage them using this icon right here, which will give you this window, and you can then edit whatever you want. If you want to get rid of one, you can just click here and trash it. If you want to edit it, you can just change whatever you want and then update it. It will be changed. You can also import or export tool presets across your scene, so that's very useful to get your production going faster. So I'm gonna test our new preset that we created together. So let's say that I've been using the black line to clean since earlier, and I'm like, oh yeah, I need to clean these. I'm just gonna go get my little orange thing here and start to clean it up. I'm using a texture just so that you can tell which strokes are which. And that's it. And then if I go back to the black, I can make myself a black preset. It takes 5 seconds. That's gonna be the main line. And I can get my orange line and my black line. So I hope you have fun making yourself your little tool presets that are gonna help you in your production. And I wish you a very nice day. See you!